We are going glowy, we are going hydrated, and we are creating a makeup look today. I'm so excited to be back. Thank you everyone for subscribing, for tuning in. I'm Mikaela South. I'm a professional makeup artist, and I'm gonna share with you this glowing, hydrated tutorial. This is something that you could wear any time of the year. The emphasis really is on glowing, kind of hydrated, looking products on the skin. So let's get on into the makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Now the first product I'm gonna use is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Golden Glow Illuminating Hydrating Balm. And I do about 3 pumps of this product in the palm of my hand. I like to blend this on with my fingertips and really massage this into the skin. I think this is sort of a hidden gem within the Bobbi Brown range of cosmetics. I never hear anyone talk about this product, and it's gorgeous. It makes the skin illuminated, it's hydrating, and it's very subtle, which I like. You can see already the gorgeous illuminating glow that this product imparts on the skin. It's a moisturizing balm, and it has small particles of pearl pigments in here. I believe it comes in 3 colors. I picked the one up in Golden Glow, so I feel like I wanted to give that golden luminosity to the skin, and you can see already just how pretty this is. And I use this as a primer. So I'm using this underneath because it is that illuminating balm. There's no coverage to it. So I'm gonna put the foundation on top of this product and see how I'm really kind of massaging it, pressing it into the skin. So that illuminating primer is on the skin, and now I'm going to apply foundation. I can't believe I haven't talked about this on my channel yet. It's the Light Wonder foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. I've been using this for months. I think many of you have messaged me over on Instagram because I've been talking about it over there for quite a while. So I've been sharing this is my foundation of choice the last few months because it's so lightweight, it's very natural. Now there's no SPF in this product. It's great for photography, it's great for building coverage. I would say it's a light to medium coverage foundation. I'm just mixing here in the palm of my hand shade number 2 as well as shade number 3. I have all of the colors in my professional makeup kit because I love this so much, and my clients love it as well. So I mix it into the palm of my hand. And I'm going to first dot this product on my skin, starting in the center of my face. And this is kind of how I do my makeup in the morning when I'm getting ready. I'm starting in the center of my face, and then I will work out to the perimeter of the face. I'm just going in here and color correcting my under eye circles. And you can see I'm gonna dedicate more videos specifically to concealer, but because this video is gonna be focused just on creating glowy skin, it's gonna be less technical on some of these other pieces like eyebrows and concealer. Now that I have the complexion products on, I'm going to keep moving forward with layering more glowing specific products onto my skin. And I think that's the key really with most any of the makeup looks that I like to create. It's all about micro layers. I'm always layering, finding the right combinations of products that work well together on the skin. And that way it looks super natural, skin-like, and it lasts a lot longer as well. So I'm just shaking up this product from By Terry. It's called the Cellulose Brightening CC Serum. I think it's called Sunny Flash. And this has a little bit of that bronze effect to it. So it's gonna warm up the complexion, but it's also very, very glowing, which I love. So I'm gonna do it's a liquid product, 2 pumps in the palm of my hand. And for this, I'm gonna use this to slightly warm up the complexion a little bit underneath here where I like to contour the face. And then I'm gonna pick up my Beauty Blender sponge again, or actually I'm gonna use I'm going to use this brush, this flat brush, to kind of blend this and really work this into the skin. I love this brush. It's the all over face brush. You can see how that's going to give some warmth, and also it's got a really beautiful glow to it. You can see it really warms up the complexion. I did choose a lot of liquid products today just because they are more hydrating, and I mean, it just depends on what your skin texture is like and what you prefer. You can always send me a message and I can recommend products that are powder in texture if that's your preference. So just let me know. This by Terry Cellular Rose product you can use on top of your makeup. You could also use it as a primer. You could try using it all over. You can kind of spot, apply it to your face like I did. It's kind of a fun product to play with. It's kind of been a new discovery that I really like. And then for blush, I'm not done with my highlighting products, by the way. I have one more I'm going to show you in a second. Just because I'm going for that extra glowy look. I mean, you could stop here if you wanted to, if this was like enough glowy hydration. This is definitely a really more natural glowing look, but I'm going to step it up here in a second. Now, the blush. I'm going to use a liquid blush. This one's from Nars. I believe this one, yeah, this is the Orgasm liquid blush. Because I've just applied all of these cream products, I like to give it just a minute to kind of set, and while it's setting, I'm going to go ahead and apply just a little bit of eyebrow makeup and some eyeshadow. Now that the brows are on and I'm allowing those glowy products to really set on the skin, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow. And I'm going for something a little different today, something very light and easy. So I'm using a lipstick, and this is one from Charlotte. It's the Kim KW lipstick, which is that, that nude lipstick that Kim Kardashian is known for wearing. Well, I'm just taking a little fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm going to apply this to the crease of my upper lid. And this is just going to give a little bit of definition. It's creamy, it blends easily, and it sets. And I encourage you to play around with your makeup. It's fun to try something new. And yes, you can put little lipstick as eyeshadow on your eyelids. And I'm just gonna blend that in, just giving a little definition. It's not really a color, although I could go for a darker color with a darker lipstick. I wanted to kind of keep this nude, kind of nude neutral look today. I rediscovered my love for eyelash curlers. I go in phases with eyelash curlers, and this is the one from Surat, and I just think it gives a nice curl to your lashes. Now, if you've never curled your lashes before, you still get nervous curling your own eyelashes, you want to make sure that you kind of press that top part of your lash curler down onto the upper lashes. You can kind of look in your mirror and then gently close, making sure you're not pinching any skin, and giving a few pumps to the curler. And this pump will help evenly curl the lashes so they're all sort of in uniform, and then you release the lash and wow, look at that. I mean, why don't I do lash curling every day? It makes such a difference. Actually, I know why. Because I'm in a hurry. We're all in a hurry, and sometimes there's just steps that you skip. But it's nice to have the curler there for whenever you just want to amp it up a little bit or you have a few more minutes. This is the Legendary Lashes Volume 2 Mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. I have been using, this is probably my third tube of this mascara. Brush on it is perfection. It really fluffs up the lashes, and oh shoot. See, this is what happens when I'm like talking and trying to look in the camera. It's okay. If something like that happens, all you need to do is grab a Q-tip and it'll come right off. Sorry, but I don't have any Q-tips down here right now. No, I don't. Shoot. So here we go. This is a real life situation we got going on here. And I grabbed the Q-tip. And a funny story with this little tip I'm gonna now share with you all. I picked up this tip from a makeup artist that I worked with many years ago when I was first starting out my career. I was assisting a lot of makeup artists, and we were on a pretty big photo shoot, big national advertising campaign shoot for 4 or 5 days, and I was picking up and learning, and sometimes you'd have a little smudge from, you know, mascara or liner or whatnot, and he said you just take a Q-tip and you just get a little bit of your own just on your own saliva and you just go twist the Q-tip up and it'll come right off. It was a little quick tip that he showed me, and it's just always stuck with me and it works. So I'm happy to share that with you guys. If you're ever in your bathroom, this happens. Got a little trusty Q-tip, this works. And, you know, we all need those quick real life tips. So comes right off, done and done. The mascara on, the look is nicely coming together, but we're gonna kick it up a notch with our glow factor. You could certainly leave it like this. I need a powder with this Dior compact that I recently discovered. Ooh, I love this so much. So I'm just picking up this glowing illuminizing powder called Diorskin Nude Air with my Charlotte Tilbury sculpting brush. I'm gonna lie this onto the skin on the high planes of the face, on top of any blush that I've applied and those liquid products. And you can see how much added luminosity that this gives. So fun fact too is the first makeup line that I ever worked for was Christian Dior. And I've always loved their products. You know, I was trained with such beautiful textured products that it's really nice to revisit the brand. They've had a lot of innovation, and a lot of their new makeup products are gorgeous. So this like highlighter, can you see that? So pretty. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add some of this highlighter. It's all about mixing and playing on the lid over the lipstick that we applied. Just to add a little glossiness, a little glowiness to the lid and on that inner corner to brighten. Okay, so now we've got our glow on. I gotta powder a little bit. I gotta take down the shine, and I'm using this new Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This is a loose powder. I like to pick up this on a fluff brush, and then I'm going to press it into my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, on the sides of my nose. I'm pressing it into the skin, setting that makeup. And you see the motion where I'm picking up the brush, pressing it down, picking up the brush, pressing it down. And I like this technique when I'm being more strategic with powder application. That way you're not dragging the colors all over. For example, if I were to take this powder and place it on my cheek and kind of put the powder on like this, I'm gonna move around all of the product that I have already, you know, worked so hard to put in place. So I'm just shaking it, getting some out onto the brush like this, and I'm pressing and setting that makeup and leaving those areas that we've highlighted alone. Next, we're just gonna polish off the lips with some pretty color, and we're gonna be done. And you can see this is a nice glowing, hydrated look. For the lips today, I'm going to use this Kim K Nude lipstick that I applied earlier to my eyelids, actually. And I'm just going to apply this to my lips with my finger. You can apply it straight from the bullet for a full coverage effect. You can apply it with your finger like I do sometimes, just to kind of get that natural look to your lips. Very nude, pretty. Love a good nude color. And then I'm gonna top this off with this color from Nars, and this is called the Afterglow Lip Balm. They only make this one nude, this lip balm. It's called the Afterglow Lip Balm. It comes in Orgasm. One color, it's a total home run product. I think it's one of those colors, just kind of like, you know, Orgasm blush, looks great on everyone. This is one that you can pick up, keep in your handbag, and it's just a really beautiful color, and I think it'll work on everyone. So that's the finished look. Glowing, hydrated. We're going into spring. It's around the corner. And you want to have a glowing look really any time of the year. These are the products that I've been loving lately and some tips and tricks that I wanted to share with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put a description and a blog post up over on my website to accompany this video, and I'll answer questions that you have about it. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you back. I am posting all new wellness and beauty content here on YouTube, and I will see you soon.